Hi, this is Ambika, Assistant Professor, Department of AIML. Let us discuss about AIML governance and security. Let us go for the small recap. Artificial intelligence system, they are neutral and objective. They can produce biased or inaccurate results because they read from the human generated data. So the purpose of this one is it will build the curiosity around the trust, fairness and also the security in AI. So in this session, we are going to learn about the AIML governance in its role and responsibilities in AI systems, and about security risk and compliance challenges, frameworks, and also the tools for AI ethics, transparency, and control, and some governance principles can be applied to the cloud-based AI case study. Let us go for the problem statement. Here, a person is a cloud AI engineer at a fintech startup. His ML model predicts the creditworthiness using some customer data. So when he receives the biased outputs and a security breach, the company faces the regulatory scrutiny. So the challenge for him is to ensure that AI models are ethical, explainable, compliant, and also secure throughout the life cycle. Here we face the frustration like that biased resistance causes compliance issues. So we need to apply some governance policies and also the secure model pipelines. Let us empathize the point. That is, the person has to balance innovation with the compliance. Here the stakeholders are data scientists, legal teams, cloud security officers. The concerns we have to consider are bias, privacy, explainability, and also the unauthorized access. Let us define the problem. The core problem is the lack of structured governance and also pure security control. It leads to AI misuse, data leakage, and compliance violations. So the impact on this will be legal risk and financial penalties, and also the loss of public trust. Let us find some possible solutions for this problem. So we can implement the AI governance. AI governance are nothing but the set of standards or policies used for managing and developing the AI to ensure the ethical and security. And we will be following some frameworks also here. We have to enforce the model access control and also the audit logging. We can also apply explainable AI and bias detection tools. So the explainable AI, provides the tools and methods for ensuring the ethical considerations. Bias detection tools are used for identifying the inaccurate results. Then the security can be integrated at each and every stage of machine learning operations. Now let us develop a prototype model. So here there are 7 AI governance best practices which are to be followed. Managing AI models, data governance and security, applying algorithmic bias mitigation, implementing the framework, then using the explainability and transparency of our AI, and engaging the stakeholders, and also there should be a continuous monitoring on this. So this is the classroom simulation which helps the students to innovate on the AI governance security. Here AI governance framework, it includes some of the frameworks and also the security layers, which includes the data encryption, security, IAM, identity and access management for achieving the security. Next, the monitoring audit tools includes CloudWatch, MLflow as well as Azure Monitor. The bias and fairness metrics includes SHAP, LIMB and also the FairLearn. SHAP and LIMB, it is used for detecting the biased directions. The FairLearn is used for checking the fairness of the metrics by providing some specific rules. So here the identity access management, it includes the following procedures like authentication, authorization, user management as well as the repository for the central user. And we also follow the ethics and laws for the responsible AI, privacy and human oversight. The cloud integration is done using AWS SageMaker, Azure Responsible AI Dashboard. Some of the future trends are AI audits, algorithmic accountability, global regulation harmonization. Next, there are 4 pillars for the corporate governance. It includes the accountability, fairness, transparency, and then responsibility. So these are the 4 pillars for used for following the corporate governance. So this case study, it gives, like for example, biased loan model and cloud, which gives the practical application for the governance thinking among the students. Next comes AI security. It includes the following layers: data security, model security, deployment security. So data security, it includes the encryption and anonymization. Model security, it includes poisoning and adversarial attacks. Deployment security, it is achieved by using application programming interface, rate limits, as well as the identity access management. Some of the cloud AI security tools are AWS IAM, Key Management Service, Azure Sentinel, Security Center, Google Vertex AI governance should is used for representing this. So this is an overview of the topic AIML governance and security, which includes the governance principles, frameworks and policies, some security layers, as well as integrating the cloud with some tools and technologies, and also some of the points on the ethical compliance. These are some quick assessments on these topics. Thank you.